Every ant in the jungle knew about the Forbidden Zone, the place where the trees grow so tall they touch the clouds.
Life had been good. Our alliance was strong. Our home was rebuilt.
Beyond the known path lies something extraordinary. An ancient kingdom.
A forbidden place? She chose a small team. Fast, smart, adaptable. The Yellow Queen stayed behind Husk.
The old markers told us everything we needed to know. Dozens of colonies had come this far. We could read their warnings carved in. Nothing could have prepared us for what we saw.
Oh.
A kingdom that made our colony look like a single grain of sand.
Do not move! We had 10 seconds before he found us. 10 seconds to make a decision that would determine if we live. She walked out alone. No weapons, no guards, just herself and that glowing golden crown on her forehead.
He struck. Not to kill, to intimidate, to send her running. He had done it 1,000 to 1,000.
She stood back up. And in that moment, the entire kingdom went quiet. Because nothing in that jungle had ever... The general saved her life. Again, like he always had. And as I watched my team surrounded and we were prisoners. Our colony didn't know where we were.
But the baby queen was building a plan.
We weren't finished yet. The Yellow Queen didn't hesitate. She sent everyone, including the 2 ants who had once been our greatest.
Leave this jungle forever. Your alliance, your colonies, your territory dead, all of it.
Or be destroyed. No. She said no. Now she had to back it up. The weak point. Push!
Strike it! Everyone!
Now! Pull him through! He's injured! Go! I'll hold them! Go! She had memorized every passage she could see through the silk walls. Every guard rotation. Every exit.
The scout ran! Hard fought!
And there they were. Every ally we had ever made. Every enemy we had ever turned. All of them.
Standing in the jungle, because I had called them.
And somehow tamed they had all come.
Every war we had ever fought had led to this moment. Every enemy we had turned into an ally. The biggest battle in jungle history. Not because of the numbers, but because of what was at stake. Our home. Last time, she stood before him with empty hands and asked for peace. This time, Bo, she came to take it.
She had trained for every enemy she knew. She had never trained for this one. So she did what she always did. She came, like she always came, because that is what allies do.
The kingdom's soldiers stopped fighting the moment he fell, because their entire world was built around one truth. Their king was
She could have kept it. She could have claimed his kingdom. He returned it. Because she didn't want his kingdom. She wanted something worth more.
The greatest alliance in jungle history. Not built through conquest, not forced through fear.
Built through one